So welcome to AOS Outdoor Kitchens. In today's video, we are in Gloucestershire and I'm going to be talking you through this oak outdoor shelter and outdoor kitchen that we have just completed. So I have to say that, we've just arrived here. We actually completed this project just prior to Christmas and it's now February. So we've just arrived here and this is the first time that I've seen this project since the customer has dressed the shelter, the kitchen and everything like that. And talk about a wow moment. We've just walked in here. It looks incredible. They've got lighting everywhere. They've got plants up. They've put all of their items around here. This has to be one of the best dressed outdoor kitchen entertainment spaces that I've ever seen. So when I first started talking to the customer, they said that they wanted an oak shelter. They had lots of barbecue appliances and equipment they wanted to use and they wanted to integrate into their outdoor kitchen. So Laszlo, our head designer, he put together some 3D renderings and some designs for a kitchen. This shelter is 9 meters long by 4 meters wide. It's oak shelter, so everything is made of oak. You can see when you look up, you can see these big A-frame oak rafters. You can see all of the normal rafters and then the oak battens above. And for the roof on this, we've used a metal corrugated roof, which is a really good, easy way of waterproofing a roof. There's no tiling or anything like that. It's mess-free. It's a very quick and easy solution, and it looks really good when you look up underneath it as well. You can look up and you see this big vaulted section here. Originally, we just had 3 posts, but the customer wanted to have and was really keen to have some pull-down canvas blinds. So what we've done is we've put these 2 extra posts in as well. They've got some blinds on their way or some plastic screens, and it's going to make a huge difference in terms of keeping in the heat. Along this side here, along the side behind you, we've put scaffold board finish. Now in this location, it looks perfect. It goes so well together. And this was an afterthought that the customer had asked us to do, was to create these partitions along here. So this will act also like a sort of a bar area as well, but we've scaffold boarded that along there as well. In this corner here, this is how you get to the house. That the guys, Ben and Rich, they have built this sliding door. So they've used scaffold boards, a sliding door system, and creating, this is the main route in and out of the space here. Onto the kitchen. This is one of our own range of kitchens. This is an AOS kitchen. We make these in-house, so we can make these to any size, any shape. We can make them any color. We can house any appliance in them. In this case, we've gone for a matte black finish, and we've got 2 parts to this kitchen. You've got the island part here, and you've got the sink, the pizza oven section here. We've used a 20mm thick, honed dark granite for the worktops. Granite is a brilliant product for outside. And then you've got the appliances. So the customer already had this Primo kamado oven. They already had this, I think this is a Somerset grill, asado. And what we've done over here is we put this big stainless steel backing to it, and we've got this commercial grade extractor. So this is going to run on charcoal, on wood. It's going to give off a lot of smoke, as is the Somerset grill. So we've got this huge extractor here. This is on wheels. It can be wheeled out over there. The Somerset can be wheeled in. So anything like that for wood-fired cooking, charcoal cooking that's going to give off a lot of smoke can be placed underneath here, and that can be cooked under. Over here, we've got the Alpha Moderno 2. So this is a hybrid. So this will run on gas and it will run on wood. You can see you've got the twin wall flue going out there, which extracts out there. This is a superb oven. So this will cook 2 pizzas at a time. It takes 20-25 minutes to get to heat, and then it'll take like 90 seconds to cook a pizza. It's not only for cooking pizzas, it's great for cooking fish, steaks, bread, everything. It's an oven for outdoor use. So with the layout of the space, the customer was really keen to have a sort of a dining, a relaxing area where they've got a TV, a dining table and chairs for everybody to sit and socialize. So you can see they've got this dedicated space here with the table and chairs. And then over here, you can see that our guys, Ben and Rich, have built this. So this was actually part of the original design as well, the 3D render. They've created this scaffold board unit, if you like, where the TV is. They've got the sound system there. It's been dressed so nicely. You can see all of the electrics have been put in these steel pipes all the way around. It's got a real industrial look about it. You can see all of the details. Look at the horn chandelier up there, the horns up there. You can see that they've got speakers located all the way around, so you can have music here all the time. There's actually speakers outside here as well, and this is like your outside space with the table and chairs as well. So you can have music, sounds all the time. The lighting, so obviously, like I said, they've got that chandelier there. They've got these fairy lights everywhere, which gives a real warm atmosphere. You see, you've got these pendants here, and look how they've got this rusty chain holding the scaffold board that comes across here, supports the lights. And it's got the planting everywhere, the green. You've got another chandelier here, more speakers there, more fairy lights up there. It just feels so good in here. So this space here is separated from the main kitchen by this island bar area. You've got bar stools there. And then over here, you've just got this log burner, which is incredible. That's going to whack out such a huge amount of heat. So you can come out here in the evenings, in the winter. The whole place, we've got the pizza oven on the go there as well. So you've got heat coming off from there. You've got the heat from the log burner. Everything's going to be enclosed. It's going to be a space that can be used and will be used all year round. So what an incredible space for cooking, eating, relaxing, entertaining. It's got everything that you need here. It's got the dining area, it's got the relaxing area, it's got the log burner, it's got the kitchen cooking area, the socializing area here with the bar. It's got every type of cooking appliance that you could have, and it's all set in the atmosphere, the decor, everything about it is just fantastic. So I'm so pleased with how this has come out. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. We try and post these videos once a week to give you inspiration. If you're looking to get an outdoor kitchen or you're just looking for some ideas, give us a follow. We try and produce these videos about once a week. We also have Instagram and TikTok and all the rest of the things. So head over there and give us a follow if you'd like to. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.